Hello guys, today I have a Toyota Verso which was produced between 2013 and 2018. If you own this car, are you a mechanic or DIY enthusiast? I want to show you how to delete the oil change reminder that will eventually appear on your dashboard. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the cargurudiy channel, where you will find plenty of advice on dealing with common car issues that every enthusiast faces from time to time. So let's get started. As you can see, the reminder to change the engine oil appears on screen. You can temporarily turn it off by pressing the DISP button on the steering wheel, but it's only a temporary fix. If you have already changed the oil and want to permanently remove the reminder, follow these steps. Turn off the power using key or start-stop button. Locate the small button next to the screen, press and hold it. While you're holding the button, press the start-stop button twice without pressing any pedals. If your car has a key, turn it into the ignition position. Like you see, 4 dashes will appear on the screen. Continue holding the button until all 4 dashes disappear. And just like that, the oil change reminder is gone until the next time. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. See you next time, guys.